Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the nightlight here. It's a socket nightlight with motion sensor. It is a pack of two. It comes from or by Teampd. It's a nightlight for children and adults too, with a nice sensor activity. If you like, you can switch it on, off, or sensors controlled. It's dimmable by using a touch button. It will generate a warm white night lamp. We have three modes: LED night for the bedroom, for a staircase, for the hallway, for the kitchen, where you need a little bit light. You can use that. And it's really cool because if there is a socket, you can dock it there, job's done. Power supply is there, and then it will works properly. We have off, of course, this is the off button switch. On, always lightning, and sensor. The night light with the motion sensor and the twilight sensor means that this night light automatically lights up while you're have a motion detected for 30 seconds while people pass by in the low light areas. Detection range of approximately 4 meters and 100 degrees of sensor angle. At the night, we have then ourselves the third for the light switch. We can make it automatically. It's really cool, I think. The brightness is infinitely adjustable from 100% up to 10 or down to 10%. And it remains stored so that we can adjust it to our feel-good brightness. We can long press or hold the sun button on the top of the night light to adjust the brightness level. Easy going, isn't it? And this children's night light is made of fireproof ABS materials. It's durable, heat resistant, and it has been equipped with the CE mark to ensure a safe use. Environmentally friendly and, of course, energy saving because LED technology is built in. This light has a nice color because it is warm, so it's really comfortable. The light direction is downward. If you like, you can of course rotate it up to an upward position as you like, but I think the focus is to go from the up to the bottom lightning. This is comfortable. It's a light direction easy to the bottom. The light direction is downwards so that we are not dazzled. And we have a better protection for our eyes with that. It's perfect at night. We will no longer necessarily blind or hit unknown corners with our little toes. Well, when we have to go to get out for the bathroom, for example. And the easiest installation, as you can see, that is plug and play. The nightlight can be used in hallways, bedrooms, children's rooms, staircases, kitchens, basements, of course in the garage, and other places too. Of course, there has to be a socket, but then you can use it. This is a wonderful alternative to a ceiling light, and it's so easy. The color temperature of the light is from 2900 up to 3100 K. The detection range is 4 meter plus minus 1 meter. The detection range is 120 degrees. We have three modes: on, off, and automatic. We can use the lever on the side to switch between the modes easily. The layout output angle is round about 120 degrees. The size of each light is 7.3 to 7 to 1.9 centimeter. The light quality and the brightness flawless sensitivity is top adjustable brightness, compact size, easy to install, safe and energy saving. We can make it easy. For example, in the dark, the night light will automatically lights up when motion is detected. The detection range is okay. If no motion is detected, the night light will turn off automatically after 30 seconds. This is very practice for our nights. For the bedroom, the motion sensor reacts when we sit up from the bed, for example, and when we open the bedroom door. The motion sensor in the hallway is activated. Saves hours from touching around and looking in the dark, and thus prevents unpleasant small household accidents too. Or we can attach it into the kitchen. When we go to the kitchen, the motion sensor captures one and it lights up. Bright enough, warm light. This night light reliably prevents night falls due to the tripping hazard. And if you have in the hallway, the night light has a very pleasant light, and we can see everything that is on the floor. This is a wonderful alternative to a ceiling light. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.